Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my Prince-inspired funky electric riffs tutorial. The guitar is tuned standard, EADGBE. I'm using a medium pick because it works well for both leads and funky rhythms. I got my amp set up for a slight overdrive so that I can get this kind of a sound. Well, alright, let's get started. Riff number 2. Session, we're learning Let's Go Crazy, riff number 2. In order to play that riff, we're going to start with an F sharp 5, holding down the low E string 2nd fret, the A string 4th fret, striking it twice, like that. Then we'll move to a C sharp 7 suspended 4, played this way. We're barring fret 4, all the strings, not using the low E string, bringing in the ring finger to the D string 6th fret and the pinky to the B string 7th fret, and we strum it this way. Okay, so that's how we're going to strum it: down, up, down. Okay, and then we're going to move back to the F sharp 5, strike it twice. Then we're going to move to a C sharp minor 7. We're barring fret 4, bringing in the middle finger to the B string, fret 5, and the ring finger to the D string, fret 6, and we're going to hammer on it as we strum. Like that. So this is what we've got. And that's our riff. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.